Hi, Scott doing at MarineMax in Lewisville, Texas, and we're going to do a brief walkthrough here on a brand new Harris Grand Mariner 230. All right, so 230 Grand Mariner, wraparound seating in the front. This one was ordered with the full lighting package, so there's going to be LED lighting in your cup holders, your speakers, your seat bases, under the rub rail around the outside, under the water in the back, and these are also LED or RGB panels here also, so absolutely lit up. Also going to be a double USB port and all of your mouse hole cutouts. Harris does a very good job with double hanging their hinges. That way they open a little further, they'll stay open, make it a little easier to get stuff in and out. And there's storage underneath absolutely all of these seats all the way around the boat, as well as an oversized in-floor locker. This one does have the raised helm on it, pair of 7-inch Simrads, so full glass screen, JL audio. This is also going to have 2 subwoofers, 2 amplifiers, or actually 4 amplifiers. A pair for the speakers, 1 for each sub, and a pair for the tower cans. Over here on your passenger side, wireless cell phone charger, another double USB port, another speaker over there, so done really, really well. Back here, flip-flop back seat, that way you can flip it when you're facing out the back, or it will also go down flat to make a full sun pad. The other thing you can do too, which I actually like, is you can raise these up and use this as a forward chase if you want to also, and great storage underneath, as well as a cooler underneath the outside. Another stereo remote control back here, as well as another stereo remote up there, USB ports everywhere, set up really, really well. So if you got any questions on this or any other boats you see online, pick up the phone and give us a call. We'd love to talk to you.